Now, Toronto is recovering from a major winter storm that brought heavy snow and freezing temperatures across the Greater Toronto area. Life is slowly turning to normal now, but snow clearance, transit disruptions, and cold weather continue to impact daily movement. The visuals show impact of powerful snowstorm that dumped more than 20 centimeters of snow. The roads and highways are blanketed with snow. Vehicular movement has been restricted. Public transits on some routes remain suspended or diverted. But after relief, the city crews are clearing expressways and major roads first, with local streets and sidewalks taking longer to open fully. Temperatures remain below freezing, with wind chill making it feel much colder. Air traffic at Toronto's Pearson Airport has returned to normal. Though passengers are advised to check flight updates, several local schools reopened selectively, while others enacted partial closures in response to the storm. Some residents report slow cleanup, while others are stepping out to enjoy the fresh snowfall.